Time and money are two areas that most project people would admit they want more efficiency, but saving them on projects isn't always easy. However, businesses must prioritize project savings, because doing so is often what keeps them afloat. The easiest way you can help your company save time and money is by controlling projects during the progress of the project. Project controls are the processes used to analyze the time and cost progress on a project. In this video, I will explain what project controls are and how they are different from project management. Also, there is one most critical element of successful project control for managing a project. This element will be deciding factor for the project performance and margin. I will talk about that later in this video. So stay tuned. A very common question I receive from viewers is, what is the difference between project controls and project management? While project management focuses on keeping the entire project on track, project controls focus specifically on project cost and schedule. Project control is a subset of project management, with the primary focus on managing the project's cost and schedule. The project manager directs the work of the project team, while the project controller advises the team and the project manager. Project control processes help the project to stay within project scope, minimize your project budget, and keep to your project schedule. There are several differences between project management and project control activities. However, there are mainly three key differences between project management and project controls. The first difference is that project control is a subset of the project management process, with the primary focus on monitoring and controlling the project's cost and schedule. Project control's primary focus is on identifying and mitigating two kinds of risks: schedule risk and project cost risk. The second difference is that project manager owns the project and directs the work of the project team, while the project controller advises the project manager and team on possible cost and schedule risks and mitigation plans. And the third difference is that the project controller provides the project's key performance indicators and develops a performance report, while the project manager utilizes the provided information to make project decisions. While a project may deal with many parameters, such as quality and scope, project controls focus on the project cost and schedule and continuously monitor for any associated risk. Without a project control process, it's difficult to answer important questions about the project progress, which may impact or complicate project success. Through the control process, you can catch when things don't go as planned and quickly course correct to keep your project on track. Now coming to the most important element of project control. Schedule and time management play a key role in the project control process. Increasing visibility into your project schedule helps you know if you're proceeding along your planned timeline and identify the possible risks. To do this, make sure you're tracking all of your project work in one place, like a project management tool. That way, you can get insight into your tasks, deadlines, and dependencies. Plus, you can put project milestones in place as checkpoints to gauge your progress. To keep your stakeholders looped in on the project's progress, use project status reporting. These bi-weekly or monthly reports are a great way to evaluate whether your project is on track or not. If the project is not going as planned, you can quickly pinpoint the reason and troubleshoot accordingly. Then share this information with stakeholders so everyone is on the same page. Use a Gantt chart to see your project schedule broken down by tasks and milestones. A Gantt chart is a horizontal bar chart that illustrates the timeline of a project, program, or work. This type of chart can help you assess how long a project will take and show you the dependencies between tasks. The concepts and techniques you learned at projectsmind are applicable to all your projects and used by Fortune 500 firms. If you like this video, then hit the like button and let us know how you feel about us by leaving a comment in the below section. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to see our latest videos when they come out. See you later, and bye for now.